Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, nearly 80% of baby boomers plan to continue working in retirement. So some say retirement is being redefined. With a redefined retirement, Calvin, how do we make sure we aren't using outdated retirement strategies?
Sure. Well, one of the most outdated retirement strategies is using a portfolio that's 60-40, stocks and bonds. That just saw one of the worst drawdowns in American history over this past year. And so building a comprehensive written retirement income plan that tracks sources of income, are they guaranteed? Will they generate inflation-adjusted income for as long as you live or your spouse lives? Making sure we have a plan that talks about an increasing tax environment, which will likely happen because we have increased deficits in this country and they're likely to go higher. And Social Security alone is not going to cut it for most people because of inflation right now. So that's why my team and I have put together this retirement roadmap kit with the retirement roadmap book at the centerpiece of it to help you plan for retirement in this new environment.
Really a valuable resource because it's not the same retirement as our parents or our grandparents had, right?
That's right. People are living longer. They've got longevity risk. They've got healthcare expenses that are much higher than they ever expected. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit are designed to help you navigate this new retirement.
Right. Thinking about all those different factors, these are some really useful tools to help you. To learn a little bit more about strategies for today's retirees, call, text, or go online to get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. Thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.